Hello, Mr. Spark. What a nice surprise.
Hey, it's really nice to meet you after 2 long years.
JC, can you recognize Mr. Spark? You met this great historian 2 years ago.
But you were then a thin stick. Now you look like a big ball.
God added flesh on the stick. JC, tell me one thing. When locations and meanings can change with time, why not man? Tomorrow, I will take you to my mini museum. There, you will find answers to all your queries. Kol don dar. It's a touch and tell museum. In this museum, models come to life when you touch them.
Wow! Whose picture is this?
It is a part of the world map. This part shows southern India and Sri Lanka.
From no angle does it look like India's map.
Ask this Arab cartographer yourself.
Carto...
Yes, a person who makes maps is called a cartographer.
Hello, I am Al-Literacy. I made this map in 1154 AD.
So, is this really a map?
Yeah, and I made it without the aid of any compass or any modern instrument.
But it does not look similar to the modern Indian map.
Let me explain. It looks unfamiliar since South India is located where we expect to find North India. Also, you see that Sri Lanka is the island at the top. It will give you a clearer view if we turn the map upside down.
Yeah, now I get it. Right. And who made that map?
French cartographer Guillaume del Isle made this one in the 1720s.
How was it so accurate?
It was a gap of 600 years. Within this time, the compass was invented, which helped in the accuracy.
Now I understand how the same location can look different at two different times.
Just like me, a stick at one time and a football at the other.
Interesting. Can you tell me of some other changes you historians study?
Tell me, what do you mean by Hindustan?
India.
Spot on, but that's the modern meaning.
Is there any other meaning?
This chronicle of the 13th century did not mean India.
What did he mean?
Ask this for yourself.
Hello, I am Minaj-e-Siraj.
Will you tell me what do you mean by Hindustan?
I meant the areas of Punjab, Haryana, and the lands between the Ganga and Yamuna. The word Hind was used differently by the 14th century poet Amir Khusro.
Hello. What do you like to know from this 14th century poet?
How do you use the word Hind?
Actually, I noticed that a language called Hindvi was used in the area around Delhi. So in my writings, I used Hind to mean the area around Delhi.
It sounds interesting enough. But how did Hindustan take the meaning of entire India?
It was Babur who used Hindustan to mean the entire India in the early 16th century. He used the word Hindustan in his writings.
You mean the first Mughal emperor?
Spot on.
So, you see how meanings of the same word change with time?
Is there any other terminology that changed with time?
Take the word foreigner.
Foreigner? Does it mean non-Indian?
Right. But in the medieval period, foreigner meant any stranger in a society or culture.
So, according to the medieval period's terminology, a non-historian like me is a foreigner in this museum.
Spot on, Mr. Foreigner.
I promise to become a historian and not a foreigner in your museum.
But to be a historian, you need to be very attentive. Let me see if you remember what you learned today.
Okay, I'm ready for the test.
Awesome! You really proved yourself a bright boy. You deserve this map of Idrisi.
Bingo! Here is my map with its tail up.